What it do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video we are going to review the 925 projects. Okay, guys. So essentially, this is an Roi Dapp with external revenues. Okay, so what is 925? Okay, so like the name says, 925 opens Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. UTC time. Okay. And you're only going to earn yields. Okay, the yields is going to be variable. It will go from 0.5% all the way to 3%. The daily yield will depend on the trading bots. Okay, so if the bots perform well, the average yield percentage will be high. If the bots don't perform that well, the yield will be decreased. Okay, but it all depends on trading bots, pools, etc. Okay, because the project will have multi streams of external revenue. So pools, trading bots, and a few other projects, right? So over here we have the platform dashboard. The contract balance, obviously the project is not live yet. It's going to be live on the 8th of May at 9 o'clock UTC time. So don't miss out your first day at work. Okay, so the contract balance will pop up right here. Number of employees means number of investors. Okay, revenue generated from the external revenues. And over here we can see 8 hours ROI. So from 2% from 9 to 5. Okay, so after 5 p.m. you're not going to earn any rewards until 9 a.m. next day. Okay, let's go over to my office and let me show you around. Okay, let me give you a guide tour. So once you connect your wallet, you should be able to see your USDT balance right here, your USDT invested, and your monthly salary. Okay, so this has an inbuilt calculator, and then once you make your deposit, you will automatically see how much you will earn per month. Okay, over here we can see the calendar. So if you want to check the calendar, you can see which days you gonna get paid. Okay, so Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. Okay, right, so once you come over here to the project, you connect your wallet, right? And you got this dashboard right here. This is your dashboard. The minimum investment is 30 bucks. The maximum is 100K. Okay, you come over here. For example, you type in 30 bucks, you hit deposit. But before you hit deposit, you have to approve. So approve, and then you deposit. Okay, so you approve the 30 bucks, and then after you approve the 30 bucks, you hit deposit. Okay, so once you make that deposit, okay, you are in. Your deposit will pop up right there, okay, and you will start earning your rewards from 9 to 5. And over here, we'll have a calculator how much you're going to earn daily, and then how much you're going to earn in 7 days. Okay, over here we'll show you last claim, minimum claim time, max claim time, etc. Okay, over here we'll show you your current earnings. Okay, so once you are ready to withdraw, you come over here and withdraw. Once you are ready to compound, if you want to compound, you can compound, and you will have a bonus if you compound. Okay, so if you compound, redeposit your earning tax free. This excuse me, will boost your daily ROI by 0.5% until your next claim, and can be used only with at least 2 days of rewards. Okay, so you'll have to accumulate at least 2 days of rewards before you hit compound. Okay, and you will earn a rewards. Okay, an extra 0.5% boost on your daily ROI. And then you gotta work harder option. Okay, so how the work harder works: work harder compound 50% and withdraw 50%. So it's the 50-50 strategy, just like the fortune hunters strategy. Okay, 50-50. Okay, compound 50 and withdraw 50. This will boost your daily ROI by 0.3% until your next claim. Note that in order to use this, you need to accumulate at least 4 days of rewards. Okay, so if you start on a Monday, so you accumulate Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, and then when it comes back to Friday, when you go back to work on Friday, you hit that work hard and you will do the 50-50 strategy. Okay, so that means you will pocket something and you will reinvest something. So in the long run, right, so you will ROI because you constantly, every Friday, you are working harder, you are ROI, increasing your weekly payments, and you are increasing your position. So the longer you go working harder, the higher will be your weekly rewards coming out on a weekly basis, essentially. But it's up to you how to play the game, okay? But yeah, this is a really, really cool idea. I like that, okay? The referral system, we got a referral system, so you will earn 4% in rewards, okay? And you will have two options. You either withdraw, okay, so you'll cash out that money, will go straight to your wallet, but you will have to pay a 30% tax on those rewards, or you compound those rewards and you will pay no tax. Okay, the referral system only works if you make a deposit, and the minimum deposit, like I said, is 30 bucks. Okay, what are the taxes? Okay, we have taxes. Okay, we come over here, and every time you deposit, you will pay a 10% tax fee. Okay, every time you withdraw, you will pay no fees. Right, simple as that. So the team trust, the team owner is the team owner of this project is the DeFi spammer, which is known already in the space and has released multiple projects in the past. Okay, DeFi spammer has been KYC'd through Anonymous, okay, and this contract has been handed over to Stamp Managed Multi-Sig. Okay, so multi-signature wallet means, prior to the owner to withdraw funds from the contract, you will have to go to the multi-sig wallet. So multiple persons have to confirm the transaction before the transaction go through. So only one person will not be allowed to take funds from the TVL. Okay. Apart from being stamped by the George stamp, they also been stamped by the Crypto Prim. Okay. Security score 10 out of 10. So we have the hedge fund, we got the multi-sig, and we have KYC. And then over here, like George Stamp, we got a summary about how everything works. I'm not going to go through it, so take your time, do your own research, make sure you fully understand how everything works. Okay, Telegram group currently have 425 members. Okay, 79 online. Okay, like I said to you, the project will start on the 8th of May, 9 o'clock UTC time. Okay, so you got plenty of time to do your own research, ask as many questions as you want in regards to the project. Okay, and if you're not happy, you're not happy. If you're happy, you're happy. You go ahead with it. Okay, and we got a Twitter page right here. Twitter page has 31 following. Okay, actually 49 followers. Okay, guys, and essentially that's that, guys. This is for you as an investor. It's very simple. All you got to do is come over here, deposit the amount that you want to deposit, and let it go. Okay, so one thing that I would like to mention is, once you come over here, make your deposit, you will no longer be able to unstake your deposits. Okay, you will no longer be unable to stake your deposit. Okay, your deposit will be locked, and I think the maximum you're gonna make from the project is 300%. Oh, it was. I think they've changed it. Yeah, I think they have changed it. Because you could earn up to 300%. I'll put the question in, but I think they've changed that. Yeah, I think they have changed, because I haven't seen in any of the what do you call it, audits. But yes, I'll put the question in, and on my next video prior to lunch, I will come over here, give you an update, and also show you the white paper, because the white paper hasn't finished yet. They haven't finished the white paper, so once everything's done, I will come over here, and once everything is live, I'll come over here and show you the live deposit and everything step by step. But for now, guys, I just wanted to give you a heads up about this project. Okay, so the team behind the project definitely not going to rug, okay, because they are very well known, and also they have the multi-sig wallet. So prior to them to cash out the funds, they will have to go through stamp and probably crypto prim to authorize the transaction. Otherwise, you know, the money ain't going anywhere. So you are safe. Okay, funds are safe. So that being said, guys, I'm going to leave all the links in the description below. Okay, so do your own research and only invest risk capital. Peace.